Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Fiesta, and today I'm going to show you how to set the date and time, as well as military time or regular time, whichever you prefer. So first you'll start the vehicle, wait a moment for everything to load, and then to toggle between all the options I'm going to be using these arrows as well as the OK, and then this menu button gets you to your main options. So I'll get close so you can see what's going on. So menu, and then I'm scrolling down, 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 and then OK. So the menu button, down, OK, and then OK again to set time, and then up or down, and then I hit this over button to go, and then you hit OK when you get to the number you want. So again, you just keep going so you get to the right number. Almost to my right time. There we go. So then OK again. And same the set date. Hit OK. And then up or down. Same process we just went through for each of those. And then the military time, all I'm hitting is down again and OK. So OK on that turns it to military. And it should auto save for you, so you don't have to do anything else. And then back to normal. But it's all auto saved. And if you want to get out of this, you just hit this back button here. But that's it. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.